Hello guys, okay, today let's turn to Gorilla version 3 Gorilla bottle. As you can see, there are so many kinds of colors for the bottle, for the cap, and also for the tip. The tip, it can be different colors. So whatever you want, whatever color you want, we can do for you. You know, the factory in China can do everything. Okay, now let's talk about the cap. As you can see, there are two kinds of cap. One is normal cap and another one is flat cap. Then we will put the tip inside the cap. It can lock into the cap, you know, to save your freight cost. Okay, now let's go on to show you the feeling, how it works. Actually, we have also the short 60 ml, short one. It will be a little bigger. Okay. Around the neck, and then another one around neck. Okay, this one no tip inside. We will use the press machine to press the tip into the cap. Okay, now capping. Locked. Use this flat cap to show you. Locked. Then that open. Okay. Also this. You need to press and then twist. Okay. It will be easy to squeeze out the liquid inside. The bottle is soft and the ring will lock in the neck. It won't take off. So as you can see, actually whatever colors you want, we can do for you. So come to cooperate with us. Okay, thank you for today.